the time?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought we put a new street light up.
Oh, you fixed it, huh?
No, we put one up, our own.
Why don't you just take it out?
Because that one's hooked up directly to a power line.
Oh, tell him to come out and put it out.
And I called Trico to ask them about changing the bulb, and they're like, "Where's the address at? We don't show no street lights out there." Oh, never mind.
Really?
Yeah.
Here we go. Should be pretty alright, hopefully.
Think you can see it going down in the tube or
That's what it
something.
said, to face the numbers towards the audience.
Huh?
Said it said to face the numbers to the
Oh
audience.
great, we're gonna get shot.
2, 1, go. The countdown to the whole
We got everybody to pay $40 for this crap. Oh no, it's a countdown fireworks.